If your dog is itching and scratching, then you know how uncomfortable they can be. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 common causes of itching in dogs and what you can do to help. I'll also tell you when you need to see the vet. So if you want to help your itchy dog, keep watching. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a vet. And if you've already subscribed, welcome back. We are so glad that you love this channel. If not, please consider subscribing because we have awesome dog health and training videos coming out all the time. Let's get right to it. The number 1 cause for itching and scratching in dogs is fleas. Even one flea can make your dog miserable. So it's important to use a good year-round flea preventative, even if you don't see any fleas. There are a few safe and effective options available by prescription only from your vet. And some of these will also prevent ticks, heartworms, and intestinal parasites. Talk to your vet about which ones are best for your dog in your area. And remember, even if your dog goes outside, fleas can still live in your house for up to a year. So it's important to treat inside the house, too. You can learn more about treating fleas at home in this video here. Allergies are another common cause of itching. These can be environmental allergies, like with dust or pollen, or food allergies. Environmental allergies can cause what we call atopy, similar to asthma in people. Dogs with allergies tend to itch more on their face, paws, belly, and sometimes the butt. The good news is there are things you can do to help, like washing your dog's bedding frequently and wiping their paws after they come inside. You can also get over-the-counter allergy medications from your vet to help with the itch. If you suspect that your dog has food allergies, switch them to a different protein source or a limited ingredient diet. These are usually more expensive but worth it to decrease the itch. If the allergy is causing skin infections, then antibiotics might be necessary. Your vet can teach you how to do a food trial to figure out if your dog has a food allergy and what that allergen might be. This takes time and commitment, but it's very effective. Learn more about food trials in this video here. Next is dry skin. This is most common in dogs who spend a lot of time outside or where the air is very dry. It can also happen during the winter months or if you use a hot water heater inside your house. Dry skin will cause your dog to itch and scratch, but they may also lick their skin excessively. If you notice that your dog is licking their skin excessively, then watch this video first because it could save your dog from a serious skin condition. Otherwise, adding moisture to the air will help your dog's dry skin and reduce the itching. You can do this by boiling water and then putting it in a bowl and setting it around the house. If your dog is spending time in a crate or in a particular room, then adding a humidifier can really help. Make sure that you empty and clean the water bowl daily since it will become a breeding ground for bacteria otherwise. Coconut oil is another great option to add moisture to your dog's skin and helps with the itch. You can add this to your dog's food. It will help moisturize their skin from the inside out. If you want to add coconut oil to your dog's food, learn more about how much and how to do it in this video here. Another cause of itching is skin infections or hot spots. Hot spots are areas of the skin that become red, swollen, and painful. They look like a small round bald spot and they can be caused by allergies, parasites, yeast, bacteria, or ringworm. Yeast and bacteria overgrowth are common in dogs that have allergies or are licking their skin excessively. Ringworm is a fungus that can also cause skin lesions. Hot spots can be very uncomfortable for your dog. So if you see one, take steps to treat it right away. To treat hot spots, you can apply cool compresses to the affected area and then put on an anti-inflammatory medication like Remedil or Metacam. These must be prescribed by your vet, but they'll help your dog feel better fast. You can also buy sprays or wipes specifically made to treat hot spots. These are easy to apply and help with the itch fast. It's important to find the underlying cause of the hot spot and treat that, otherwise it will keep happening. For example, if your dog has allergies, treating the allergies will prevent future hot spots from forming. The last thing that I want to talk about is mites or mange. Mites are tiny little parasites that live in hair follicles. They burrow face down in the pores and feed on your dog's skin oils. They lay eggs and within 2 weeks you'll see more mites. This cycle continues and your dog will continue to itch and scratch. Demodex mange mites are the most common type of mange mite, and they actually live in hair follicles. The scary part is that everyone has these mites and you can't get rid of them completely. But for most people, our immune system keeps them under control. Unfortunately, this isn't true for everyone, and some people can develop a severe allergic reaction to the mites. This can cause intense itching and skin lesions. In severe cases, the ears, eyes, and nose can also become infected. If you think that your dog has mites, then contact your vet quickly because they can be contagious to other animals and people. Okay, so those are the 5 most common causes of itching in dogs. Let's answer the question, when should you see the vet for your itchy dog? Well, if your dog is excessively licking their skin or their paws, then definitely make a vet appointment. Also, if the itching is causing hair loss, then see your vet. If your dog is scratching and biting at their skin, leaving raw, bloody areas, then see your vet right away. And finally, if you've tried things at home but the itching just won't stop, then take your dog in for a vet visit. To sum everything up, here are my final thoughts. First, figure out if the itching is widespread or only in certain areas. Is it seasonal? Has your dog been in a new environment lately? Are they spending time around other dogs? All of these questions can help you and your vet pinpoint the cause of the itching. Second, look for other signs like changes in behavior, energy level, appetite, or drinking and urination habits. Any of these could be signs of pain or illness. And lastly, trust your gut. If something doesn't seem right, then make a vet appointment. It's always better to check in than to regret it later. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.